Hello all, welcome to our Speed GK YouTube channel. We will be posting new videos on general knowledge on different subjects and areas every week. Kindly subscribe our channel and support us. The Supreme Court of India has struck down the Constitution, 99th Amendment, Act 2014 as unconstitutional. It is related to National Judicial Appointment Commission. In which of the following cases Supreme Court gave legal recognition to third genders? National Legal Services Authority versus Union of India, in which case the 42nd Amendment Act were declared as null and void by the Supreme Court. Minerva Mills versus Union of India, which case laid the guidelines for sexual harassment at workplace. Vishnu versus State of Rajasthan, the court laid down basic guidelines for power of President's rule in. S.R. Bommai versus Union of India, prorogation of the House in legal terms means duration between two sessions of the House. In which case SC upheld constitutional validity of Section 139A of Income Tax Act, which made mandatory linkage of IT returns with Aadhaar subject to the outcome of main case related to Aadhaar. Biswam Som versus Union of India, which case led to the imposition of emergency and was a landmark case regarding election disputes. The primary issue was the validity of Clause 4 of the 39th Amendment Act. Raj Narayan versus Indira Gandhi, in which landmark case the Supreme Court held that the second marriage of Hindu man is invalid even if he converts to Islam before marriage. Sarla Mudgal versus Union of India, in which landmark legal case it was held that preamble is not a part of the Indian Constitution. Berubi's case, which landmark constitutional case is known as the Mandal case. Indra Sane versus Union of India, in which landmark case the Supreme Court held that Muslim women have the right to maintenance. Muhammad Ahmad Khan v. Shah Bano Begum, where do we find the phrase raising the nutrition of people in Indian Constitution? Directive Principles of State Policy, which important landmark case laid that reservations cannot be provided in PVT educational institutions. P.E. Inamdar versus State of Maharashtra, the 93rd Constitution Amendment deals with the continuation of reservation for backward classes in government employment. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India authorize the Chief Justice of India to request a retired judge to join the Supreme Court? 128. The Delhi High Court has asked Facebook to ban children below 13 years of age from creating an account. Which organization decided to set up a website which will compare the world's constitutions by themes online to arm drafters with a better tool for constitution design and writing? Google. Government of India has decided to establish with separate division in selected high courts. Commercial Division. Commercial Courts Act 2015 provides for commercial courts to deal with disputes and disagreements relating to business. Maternity Benefits Amendment Bill 2016 provides how many weeks of full paid maternity leave to women who work in organized sector? 26 weeks, by which Constitutional Amendment Act, voting age has been reduced from 21 years to 18 years. 61st. The nature of relationship a lawyer shares with his client is fiduciary. The Code of Civil Procedure came into force on the first day of January 1909, in which part of the Constitution the separation of executive and judiciary has been described? 7th Schedule. When master is held liable for the wrongful acts of his servant, the liability is called vicarious liability. Which of the following contains the regulations for management of the company? Articles of Association. Fundamental rights are included in Articles 12 to 36. Protection of interest of minorities is envisaged in which article? Article 29. Untouchability Offence Act 1955 was renamed as the Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955 in 1976. Who propounded the legal theory called utilitarian individualism? Bentham Jeremy. How many theories of punishments are there in the administration of justice? 5. The Supreme Court held that evidence can be recorded by video conferencing, in which case? State of Maharashtra versus Praful B. Desai, which act replaced MRTP Act, Monopolistic and Restrictive Trade Practices Act, 1969? Competition Act, 2002, a person died intestate means he died without making a will. If a witness makes a statement in court knowing it to be false, he commits the offense of perjury. Who heads the four members committee appointed to study the center-state relations, especially the changes that took place since Sarkaria Commission? Justice M. Pachi, the chairman of the Tehelka Enquiry Commission is Justice S. N. Fukan. A person who goes underground or evades the jurisdiction of the court is known as absconder. Which country follows the law any woman not giving birth to a child can be divorced? China. Which statutory body was established under the Section 4 of Advocates Act 1961? Bar Council of India. Thanks for watching Speed GK YouTube channel. Please support our Speed GK YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe and also please share this video with your friends. Thank you.